How to transfer eSIM from one iPhone to another iPhone today? I'll show you how to transfer your eSIM from one iPhone to another. Whether you're upgrading or switching devices, the process is straightforward. First, ensure both devices support eSIM functionality and confirm with your carrier that transfers are allowed. Update both iPhones to the latest iOS version by going to Settings, General, Software Update, and ensure both devices are signed in to the same Apple ID. To transfer using Quick Start, place the iPhones near each other and follow the on-screen setup instructions on the new iPhone until you reach the Transfer Cellular Plan prompt. On your old iPhone, tap Transfer when prompted. The new iPhone will activate the eSIM, and the old iPhone's eSIM will be deactivated automatically. If Quick Start doesn't work, you can transfer the eSIM manually. Contact your carrier and request an eSIM transfer. They might provide a QR code or instructions through their app. On the new iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular, Add Cellular Plan, and scan the QR code or follow your carrier's instructions. Once the transfer is complete, check Settings, Cellular on the new iPhone to verify the eSIM is active and confirm it's been deactivated on the old iPhone. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both devices or reach out to your carrier for support. Remember, transferring an eSIM won't automatically move your data plan details, so confirm that your plan is still active. If you're using a dual SIM device, transfer the physical SIM separately if needed. And that's how you transfer an eSIM. If this video helped, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.